Hey guys, so today we're going to the air show, and here we're gonna park here. And yeah, builders right there. We're just getting ready to go inside. It's a big field of people. And so yeah, I'll see you later. Okay guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but we're already here. We're taking a shuttle so like they can tour us. This is so great because they have air conditioning, as you guys can see. So yeah, and here's my brother and my dad. Yeah. So we're already here. Look at that. Huh? There's so many people. Basic people taking a picture. I'm just glad it's not hot. It's actually kind of cool. There's my sister. So we're here inside the thingy, and the airplane, and my dad's right there, and then we're just walking over here. I don't even know if we're gonna. Oh yeah, and she's sitting down on one of the things. This is so cool. Like, here. So now we're just walking to the helicopter after we went to that big thingy. And yeah, look, everybody's just, and I'm here just. So here's Mom. Oh, we're going over there on that thing because we want to see the cockpit if it's possible to go there. So yeah. So the air show doesn't start until 11. So I will take you guys with me. Oh my, that one's better.
And if you guys haven't checked out Rain's video, I will put that down below. And yeah, we're just
or we
here
can
chilling.
go over there. So far we've seen some big ass planes that I don't know what they're called, but my dad kept saying like 8 something or 7 something. But like my sister's in the restroom right now, or the thingy, whatever that's called, and it's really hot, but it's really fun at the same time, and people are just looking at me because I'm holding a phone and talking to it. And yeah, we're gonna see more over there, and then we're gonna start, they're gonna start the air show at 11, and right now it's like, I don't know, 10 or something. So yeah. Oh yeah, there's a big air balloon over there, hot air balloon, and yeah, I want to see that later, and I'll show you the air show later then. We found this little cuties. Say hi, come here, come here. Hi, 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 come here. Ate.
If she was smart, she probably
Hi, so say hi. Okay, so yeah, it's starting, and it's there's a lot of you know? What? Okay, I gotta carry him now.
Airplane, baby, where? Airplane. Ito, takot oh. Madami pala.
Things are too loud.
Things are too loud for this.
Yeah.
Oh, she's so cute.
There's so many people. It's kind of sunny now.
Hi, there it goes.
Say hi.
Say hi. Say over there. Look, look, look.
It's been going crazy for like past 5 minutes.
So, bakit kung ganyan lang? Pa rin.
Hey guys, so we're just waiting. There's really nothing to do here, so we're just sitting here on the ground because we forgot our freaking chair. Oh my gosh! I'm sorry for that noise. It's that freaking airplane. But anyways, just he looks so tired. He wants me to carry him. He said he's too full for you guys. And look at the other one here. And they said that's the glider with no machine or whatever, or engine, sorry. But wow, there's so many people here. What are you looking at? Just chilling out here with the mosquito. It's like slaying, man. What is it? Airshow! Bye! Where?
Okay, wait. Go down.
there.
You can always find it.
Bye, Airshow! It's been saying parachute. Airplane! What is it? Airplane! Oh wow, look! Someone's scared. back again. I just woke up from a nap, so don't mind my face. But we got home early because my brother's head is hurting, and the main event of the air show doesn't start until like 3, I think, or 4, something like that. Yeah, 4. And yeah, we didn't wait. So I mean, we kind of vlogged some of it, but not like the main thing, which is like the new stuff. So yeah, it's okay though. But yeah, we had so much fun. It was not hot at all. I mean, like, the sun is kind of irritating me, but it's not hot. That's a good thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video the vlog today, and yeah, we will try to make more videos for you guys. Thank you for watching, and yeah.